I'm Susanna.
I'm Rhonda.
And we are the founders of Camp Craft Cocktails.
And today we're going to show you 3 different ways to make an aromatic citrus Camp Craft Cocktails kit. Fill the aromatic citrus Camp Craft Cocktails with liquor. Tightly cap it, give the jar a good shake. Leave it in the refrigerator for 3 days. The first aromatic citrus cocktail is a variation on a French 75. It has all the ingredients that you need inside the jar as soon as you add some lemon and prossecco. So add 1 shot of strained camp, 1 shot of lemon juice, and then fill up your glass with champagne or prosecco, your choice. Now enjoy your aromatic citrus French 75 by Camp Craft Cocktails. For the second aromatic citrus cocktail, you're going to take a 1.5 ounce shot of camp and add 1.5 ounces of cointreau, 1.5 ounces of simple syrup, and 1.5 ounces of lemon juice. All of those ingredients go into your cocktail shaker with ice. You're going to shake it for 10 seconds and then strain it over a glass filled with ice. Now enjoy your Camp Aromatic Citrus Sidecar. The third aromatic citrus cocktail today, you'll build in the glass. You're going to fill your glass up with ice and then add a 1.5 ounce shot of camp, a half shot of St. Germain's liqueur, top it with orange juice, and add a squeeze of lemon and orange with a straw. Now enjoy the Camp Aromatic Citrus Epiphany cocktail.